Hello and welcome back to the Hornby Magazine workshop. In this video we're going to be demonstrating Digitrains' new Class 68 sound file for the ZIMO decoder family. We've been delivered a model of 68008 Avenger in direct rail service delivery from Digitrains with their new sound file installed. It comes on an MX644C 21-pin decoder and there's also a rail exclusive 55mm by 20mm chunky boombox speaker inside, together with a stay alive pack too. Now the sound profile that's been developed for this has been produced by John Gay. It's comprehensive too, and that isn't just about the sounds, it's about the lighting features too. We're going to be demonstrating all those functions here on our test track. Within the sound decoder suite you get a realistic set of running sounds, you also get ancillary horns and other features too, plus like I said, all those lighting functions are in there too. Right, let's run through the sound and lighting functions and then we can get 68008 out on the track and running on a train. We're going to start our demonstration of the Class 68 sound profile from Digitrains with the lighting functions. It's very comprehensive and it covers directional lighting, halo lights, tail lights and also parking lights as well. So as you'd expect, if you turn function 0 on, the main headlights light up. However, if we change the direction of the locomotive, you can see we've got no tail lights at the moment. So in standard mode, when you turn function 0 on, it sets the loco up as if it's on the front of a train, so without tail lights on. Taillights can then be individually controlled by turning on function 10, so that gives us taillights. And if you change to use function 20 instead, that gives you red lights at both ends for locomotive stables on shed. So now we've gone back to having the white lights at the front end, so using function 15 we can now turn the halo lights on. So just to show those a little bit better, I'm going to turn function 0 off so you can see the halo lights around the main lights there. Having shown you the lighting functions, we're now going to move on to the sounds for this Class 68. Now we'll start with the full startup routine, which Digitrains included a TPWS and AWS startup routine. That's on function 11. Having completed that, we can start the engine with function 1 as you would with any other loco. Now function 2 provides a braking function, so it provides both the sound of braking and actually is an active brake as well, so it will slow the loco down. Function 3 is a low horn. Function 4 is a high horn. Function 5 allows you to switch between a locomotive with a heavy train on the draw hook and one that's running as a light engine, so it changes the way the locomotive responds to throttle inputs. Function 6 is a compressor sound. Function 7 provides speed lock, so that locks the speed of the locomotive and allows you to use the throttle to increase or decrease the sound of the engine. Function 8 puts it into ETH mode, electric train heating mode, and what that does is it ramps up the revs of the engine, so that when they're providing ETH power to a train, the engine runs at a slightly higher rev rate, as demonstrated here. And we can switch that off again with function 8 again. Function 9 provides flange squeal sounds. Function 10, as we mentioned, does tail lights, while function 11 does the TPWS and AWS on startup. But once you've got function 1 on, it also provides a low-high horn sound as well. So it's a multi-function feature, that one. Function 12 gives a wiper sound. Function 13 does buffering up. Function 14 is couplings. Function 15 does the halo lights. Function 16 is for sanders. While function 17 provides an air release sound. Function 18 is the guard's whistle. While function 19 will mute all sounds. Function 20 is those parking lights, so red lights at both ends of the loco. Then we've got a trio of horns to finish off the list on function 21, function 22, and function 23. Finally, completing the list are functions 27 and 28. 27 allows you to control the volume, so you can reduce the volume, whilst function 28 allows you to increase the volume as well. Again, like many of the recent sound decoders, that means you don't have to go into CV programming in order to change the volume of your sound decoder. So now we've run through all those sounds, it's time to put 68008 Avenger on the front of a suitable train. We hope you enjoyed this latest video from the Hornby Magazine workshop, and don't forget you can read all our latest digital product reviews in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine, including our review of 68008. That's our April 2021 issue, issue 166. It's on sale from March the 4th, 2021. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.